From what we understand, this Advent calendar was inspired by walking down the streets of London and finding the PIXI boutique. And also from what we understand, this is their first go at an Advent calendar. So let's see what we've got. Advent price was $40 for 12 days, so that means each day is $3.33. Do they make the grade? 1 vitamin C lip patch. Not my favorite, but I'm game to give it a try. I haven't tried a lip patch in a long time. I'm game to give this a try. 1 set of detox under eye patches. Could prove to be interesting. And 1 under eye patch of jasmine, is this? Yes, jasmine and vitamin A. There are 2 different primers, and we knew going in that all of these would be sample sizes. Personally, I'd call these like a deluxe sample size. The Flawless Beauty Primer is for hydrating and glow. And the Flawless and Poreless Primer is mattifying, perfecting. I'm not a big primer person, but I might be willing to take a look at this one, the Flawless Beauty Primer, because it has a hydrating and glow aspect to it. I'm a little curious to try that, and that is part of the reason we got this calendar. Is I think I've only really tried 1, maybe 2 PIXI products over the years, and I think those were lippies. I wanted to be able to try more from that brand at a lesser cost. The Advent calendar is a great way to get that done. We have a clear brow gel. Not my thing, but that's okay. This is a good item for across the board, trying to satisfy the needs of lots of people. This is the makeup fixing spray. I find these are often nice, just facial refreshers when the weather is hot. Oh yeah, they do often feel good, even if you're not wearing makeup. We're about halfway through this Advent calendar. If you like what you're seeing, please consider subscribing to our channel. We have lots of fun things going on over here, both during Advent season and all year long. Do you use any of these products? Let us know, I'm an inquiring camel. I want to know all the details. And now, moving right along with this video. This I think is adorable. It's a blush, and it's in a roll-up stick. It's called On The Go. The shade is Ruby. Oh, that's quite a shade. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna go on that intensely. I think you'll be able to brush it out, or if you really want to do it up good and snazzy, go for it. This is a Glow Tonic Cleansing Gel. Wow, they're covering all the bases here. This has Green Moist Clean and Glycolic Acid Exfoliating Cleanser. I'm excited to give this a try. I did not realize the brand covered so much. This is a serum toner with antioxidants. Yeah, and all of these, probably blinded you with all of these, are sealed in their own plastic. So they've all got a good solid safety seal around them. We have a lip toner in Snow Pearl, and I guess it's a pH one, so it must change color with your skin. How fun is that? Definitely excited for this one. Yes, Lip Tone Snow Pearl pH Reactive Gloss. And last but certainly not least, we have a lip treatment, lip balm. I'm trying to decide if there's hyaluronic in here or not, but I could be wrong. It's in the shade Scarlet. Oh, that looks like fun. Yeah, I'm impressed. Has anyone out there tried any of these? Let us know, because we are new to this brand. Anne's only tried 182 Lippies several years ago, and they were good. Let us know, let us know. Taking a quick look at the nitty-gritty. Okay, this was 12 days for $40. In other words, $3.33 per day. I would say it was worth it. Even if it's one that I'm not going to use, I would say it was worth it. There was no stated value. Value is in the eye of the beholder, or something like that. And we knew at the time of purchase that these were samples or deluxe sample sizes. 12 skin-loving favorites to brighten and hydrate is what the box says. What would I do different? Honestly, not much. For a first go at an advent calendar, and like I said, I'm not familiar fully with this brand. I think that was a good variety of makeup and cleansers and lip products, etc. I think that was definitely a good go at it. I'm excited for this. I'm giving it 4.5 out of 5 stars. Darn near close to perfect. Would I change anything? What would I do different? For my personal use, instead of the lip mask, I might have given a face mask. And maybe skip one of the primers and instead give an SPF. But in all honesty, I think that was a well done first go at an advent calendar. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell, share with your friends. Are you gonna go get this one? I think it might still be available. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your time. We have fun things over here, so keep on watching.